Well, that way's up to the Cajas, about 40 minutes away. I made it in about 20. Nice little store here. I'd get a beer if I wasn't riding. But on the way up there, I was following this SUV and I had no idea until I looked down at the speedometer because I felt my helmet wanting to come off my head. And I was still in fifth gear. And to keep up with that SUV, I actually made it into sixth gear. Usable sixth gear. 4,000 RPMs. It was pretty intense. This is definitely a cruising bug. That motor is freaking wicked. And the bike is. Those Pirelli Scorpions, and this is no bike to balk at. It's only 150 kilos. Lord, it's fast. Well, I'm gonna head back into town. I tried to do a Facebook Live, and it won't do it. I'm not getting a signal here, so I think I'm almost back in town. All right, ciao.